Everybody, welcome on over here, out here in Bangkok on vacation. Beautiful background. Today, I want to talk about Google's AI mode. You may have started seeing this new tab showing up on your search results. It's called AI mode, and it offers something completely different, longer conversational answers, kind of like ChatGPT, but built into Google search. Right now, AI mode isn't the default search experience yet. It's a tab just like news, images, or shopping. But Google is actively pushing users towards it, especially here in the States. So it could become a more visible, right? It'll be a lot more visible soon. So what do you actually get with AI mode? When you search in this tab, instead of a list of blue links that you typically see with search, you get an AI generated answer that covers the topic in more depth, a lot more in depth. You see citations on the side. You can even ask follow-up questions. It doesn't just answer your question. It tries to have a conversation with you, just like ChatGPT. Behind the scenes, Google uses something known as query fanout. That means your one question triggers many related searches at the same time. It pulls insights, patterns, information from across the web, then gives you one summarized answer. That's incredibly powerful. But is it always accurate? Right? That's the key, right? We all have to remember, not necessarily always accurate. Just like any AI system, just like ChatGPT, if you ask a question about something you're expert in, you might spot mistakes still. So the smartest approach is to trust the AI summary, but always you gotta verify, right? Trust but verify. Right. So, and that brings us to the most important question. Is this the future of search, this AI mode, this conversational style? Right. Google CEO believes search is heading in this direction, or at least wants to see if users prefer it. Right. So Google is trying to roll this AI mode out and make it more and more apparent. So it's still in testing, right, even after today. But right, this is where I think personally it's where right it is going to become. Because in AI mode, there are fewer clicks and fewer links shown. If your website content aren't part of these AI answers, Google may not service you at all, right? And most likely, again, if you are buying ads, most likely will still show. So we'll see how it evolves, right? If your business signals content, right? If you want your business signals, content, right? All these strategies, reviews, those are all still very critical, which I cover in other videos. That's how you might still be cited. Okay, but I just kind of want to today kind of cover that AI mode button that you're seeing more and more often. For sure, in the near future, it's going to be more and more apparent as Google start to roll that kind of chat GPT style questions and answers. Let me know your questions.